Kids Planet World. Like, subscribe and share.
D is for dinosaurs, big and tall. D is for dolphins making a splash and a call. D is for Daisy, blooming so fine. D is for doctor, helping us feel fine. D is for drums that make a beat. D is for dessert, oh so sweet. D is for desk, helping us to work. D is for fun. So many things for everyone. Come sing with me. Learning D is a delight to see. D is for dogs with wagging feet. D is for donuts, sugary and sweet. D is for ducks swimming in a line. D is for door, help us exploring will shine. D is for dragons, go near and run away. D is for dandelions floating a day. D is for dice, playing with friends so nice. D is for fun. So many things for everyone. Come sing with me. Learning D is a delight to see. D is for deer, in the forest they hide. D is for dolls with eyes open wide. D is for doves, flying in pairs. D is for dragon fruit, helping us to make strong immune. D is for dish, how long to serve food. D is for dustbins, to do the neat and clean.